Exposing the myth behind knuckle cracking. Why do people think it's so bad? The science might shock you. That loud pop isn't your bones rubbing together. It's actually tiny gas bubbles collapsing inside your joint fluid. Despite what Grandma says, long-term studies show cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis. It just feels good because those bubbles create a little pressure drop. It's like a reset button for your fingers. At worst, you might slightly weaken your grip if you overdo it. But for most of us, it's harmless fun. Surprised? Smash like, subscribe, and drop a mind-blown emoji in the comments.